So we are just at Bally's. This is
Right.
right.
It is a very star.
And oh, that is a Mayor Star up in the hills, huh? Okay, so we're gonna walk over to. There's Bally's and there's Lodge Casino entrance. A Mayor Star's over there.
It looked like it's
You want to go
top
over?
of the hill when we were all the way.
You want to go to Lodge Casino first or Mayor Star?
Lodge Casino first.
Yeah, we're going down the
Let's
strip.
make our way around.
Okay, sounds good. Hey, it's a nice little town. I don't know if you would call it a town. Lodge Casino. Mayor Star looks huge. I wonder if it is the biggest casino here.
Oh, okay. You know how we've been around looking at the name of the road?
Yeah,
This is called Richmond Street.
yeah, the man has been rich.
There was a jackpot lane.
Yeah. So, I wonder if there's a walkway up there to go like walking around and hiking. Go check that out. That would be. Yeah, this place is. It's pretty nice. Okay, here we go. This is Lodge Casino. You must sanitize your hands before entering. I thought this was it. I think there's more upstairs. Oh yeah, there's. I think there's more up here. Yeah. That was just like the entrance. The lodge. A grand what?
Casino.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I think it's across the street. The Lodge Casino, Black Hawk, Colorado. Okay, trying their coffee. Let's try their coffee, see how it is. I don't know what the... Okay. Ooh! What is she pointing at? What's the Lodge Casino? Upstairs level. Free photo booth, but it's out of order. You know what's crazy is I used to own a photo booth business.
But now I'm down $30, so I should
I'm up 60.
She's like, I'm down 30, I'm up 60.
I like that.
You're down 200. I'm up 40 plus 50 plus 40. I don't know. Anyways, there's a bar at the end. Out of all the casinos so far, they have the best coffee here. Yeah. I don't know what it is, but it's good here.
Ooh, Princess Peacock.
Ooh, you want to play?
We need to get a card. We don't have a card here.
Let's go get a card so we can get free rooms here. This whole time I've been recording, I don't know if I have the settings right on the camera.
You want to check?
Yeah, I'll check after we get a card. Like the image stabilization. I don't want it to be shaky.
I've been told that
Yeah.
basically we lost her. I don't know when she's going to.
Candy. Stadium games. This is interesting. Stadium roulette. Yeah, so it's electronic, but still stadium. All the table games over here. Oh, they have an aquarium over here. Right here. Let's go look at. Let's go see what kind of fishies they got over here. Those things are fat. It is nice. High limit area over here. Walk over there in a bit. This is freshwater. Freshwater. High limit area over here. Alright, time to go get a player's card. So they have our games over there. More my game. Bar over here. Crazy money. Did you say you wanted to try a game over there? Jake's Deli Bus Plaza, huh? Okay. So there's the deli over here. Alright. You're looking for free play?
That's the whole point.
I wonder if there's more levels to this casino. Wicked Wheel. Thunder drums. You want to walk back over to where you wanted to play? Let's go see what the minimum is on these. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. We usually play it anyways. Yeah. I want to walk in the high limit area after. Lodge Casino. Sleeping. Let's see. What's the minimum? It doesn't even say. Oh, $5. $5 minimum. Woohoo! Yeah. Okay. Well. Looks like she wants to play. Let's go see. Back in the high limit area. Wonder what game she went to go play.
I don't know how much that is. That's a full screen. Oh boy.
Congratulations. Full screen of Wilds. Is there more upstairs? Oh. We'll have to walk over there and see. All the poker games. This casino's nice. I like it. You could breathe in here. There's a lot of older folk here. Let's play over here. Peacock Princess.